Hey, what's up guys, this is Pace and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can get the free hosting for the lifetime. Even you no need to pay for anything, even you no need to enter your credit card details or anything. And you can still use your free domain, or you can also use your premium domain such as .com or .in domains. And let me make you one thing also clear that this is my personal method, and I already uploaded a video on this topic a long time ago, but the website that I shown in that video is not giving services to new customer. That's why I come with a new website and new video, and I hope this video will help you guys.
Now before proceed, let me introduce Real Tinpatti, developed by the Soft Studio, and this is the card game application developed by one of my friend. And why it is so different from others, because this game is gonna have a new feature very soon where you can earn real money by collecting coins in this game. So here you can play and earn. Check description to download this game, and I hope you will like it.
So if you want to get free hosting, then first of all you have to go to this website, which is in the link in the description of video. And once you are in this googiehost.com, then first of all let me show you the features of this website. And first of all you have to click on this free hosting option, which is in the top of the website. And once you click on that, here by swiping down you can see the feature of this website. They are providing 1000 MB of disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and they will also not show any kind of ads on your website. They will also provide a free hosting, free website builder, and they will also provide a free email service of the 2 FTP account and the 2 SQL account. And if you compare the Googie Host with the other hosting provider, directly here Googie Host is the simple winner. Here you can compare Googie Host with the other hosting provider. I will leave this comparison up to you. And once you're done with that, now first of all you have to go to the top of the website, and here you will get an option called get your free hosting account. You just have to click on this get your free hosting account. So once you're done that, here you can choose your plan. There are two kind of plan they are providing, that is a free forever and the premium hosting. If you go for the premium hosting, they will provide you unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited website, and they will charge a $0.01 for the first month, and they will charge $5 per month. Now if you go for the free hosting, there are some limitation on it, and but the good thing is that no credit card details are required. Now for this video I'm going to show you with the free hosting option, and I will not go for the premium hosting. And if you want to go for the premium hosting, you can also go for the premium hosting. It's up to you. Now go for the free hosting, just click on this order now button and you will be in this page. Now here you have to choose your domain. You can register your new domain. If you don't have any domain, you can buy a domain from here. They are also a good domain provider. You can transfer your existing domain from any other registrar to this googiehost.com. But if you have already your domain, you can use your existing domain and you can just change your name server. Or if you just wanna have a free domain, and if you don't have any premium domain, you can just go for this free domain option, which is a subdomain from the Googie Host, and you can use a free domain from here. And for this video I'm going to show you with free domain. Now once you are in this page, here you can see that what are the items in your card, and you can add some add-ons in your card. Now first of all let me make you clear that here what the details you have to enter. Here you have to enter a valid reason why do you want this account, so they can approve your account. Make sure that whatever the reason you are entering here, all the reasons are so genuine. So once you enter all your genuine reason, here in the available add-ons section you can add some add-ons on your website which is for free. Now here they are providing free speed and the security optimization, so that's why I'm also selecting this free add-on in my cart. So once you're done with both of them, just click on this continue button. So once you are in this page, now here you can check your order summary, and you can review what are the items in your cart. And here you can see that the amount that you have to pay, which is a $0, or you can also change your currency option. If you go for the INR, here you can see that you have to pay 0 rupees. And once you click on that checkout button, here you will be in this page. Now here you have to just fill your basic details like your name, address, and some basic details. And even they will not disclose any of your information, so don't worry about that. So once you enter all those your basic details, and then just simply choose your password and then click on this credit card PayPal option. Don't worry if you don't have your PayPal account or the credit card, just select that option. You no need to enter any kind of details here, you just have to select it. So once you just select it, just click on this complete order now button. So once you click on this complete order now button, now here you will be in this page where you can see that your order number. So once your order is successfully placed, now here the step that you have to follow, you have to go to your Gmail account or whatever the email service you are providing, and make sure that you receive 2 mails from the Google host. If your mail is not listed on the your primary section, you can go for also check for the spam section. And first mail you have to verify your account so they can active your account. So once your account is activated, now the second mail that you receive from the Google host which says that your order is done. Now they will accept your order within of 4 to 24 hour working. So now you have to wait for the 24 hours to approve your hosting. Now you again have to go to Google host account, and here you can see that under the my services tab your status should be in pending. So now you have to wait for the 24 hour and it will should change from pending to active. Now after 24 hours you will receive another mail from the googiehost.com, and that mail contain all the basic details regarding cPanel login, and you will receive an username and password and some basic details about your hosting. You will also receive an CNAME server detail. So make sure that you save that mail somewhere in safe and don't share with others. Now again you can go to Google host account, and under the service tab here you can see that your website status should change from pending to active. So once your website is active, here you can also go to your website. Now let me show you how you can access the cPanel. Now if you want to access cPanel, just go to your receive mail, which is a number 3 mail, and that mail contain a cPanel URL. Then just go to that link of your cPanel and just enter your username and password which you receive on that number 3rd mail. And once you enter your credentials, you will be just log in your cPanel. And this is your cPanel. This cPanel contains all the basic features that any web hosting service provide, and this is a cPanel of our Google host. And if you are a good website developer, you will know what all these things are, and if you're watching this video, you will definitely know about what are these things, and you can use it and you can deploy your website. And that's it about this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And if you want to get more videos like this, then just comment me down. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, then you can go to link in the description and follow me on my social media. And that's it about this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit notification bell for our future videos. And that's it about this video. I'll meet you soon in my next video.